We selected Farmhouse Flagstones because we really wanted to keep the character of the property, being an old building. We did look at trying to buy reclaimed flagstones, but to be honest, the availability and the cost of those is just really not possible for a lot of people. And the look of this floor, it's so consistent. We've had so many compliments on it. It's a really hard-wearing, durable floor. It looks old. It looks real. There's no reason not to go with it. We found Farmhouse Flagstones great to deal with from day one. To be able to speak to somebody, get personal service. Clearly, Mark's got a great knowledge of the different floorings and was able to advise us on which product to choose. The availability of the flags was really good. We needed a smaller amount delivered initially so that we could get on with our project. Nothing seemed too much trouble. He was very accommodating. And we've been really pleased, when we've needed a few more for other projects since. So yeah, really good. Yeah, thoroughly recommend Farmhouse Flagstones to anybody, especially with a character property or even with a newer property just wanting to add a bit of soul and a bit of traditional look to the place. They've been, really good company to deal with, great product, and you get endless compliments with these floors.